exhibitor and exhibitor theatre owners.
Distributors, those distributors. Three sectors.
Three sector. So you are producing and you are giving distribution and exhibitor. Exhibiting.
That is the procedure is going on. The good old.
So usually producer they may have theatres and distributor they may have theatres, no?
Sometimes it will happen. Sometimes they can let it on lease also. But most of the exhibitors are running their own theatre.
One.
Sir,
How many theatres are
There are
there?
about 60-50 sir now.
650.
Yeah, earlier it was 1,200. Gradually it will reduce to 650 plus.
single theatres are very dangerous zone, sir. For that, some government has to do something for that.
Recently, state government has so many benefits. Paying up the property tax. Electricity, still that is pending there. The minimum charge they have to pay. In Gujarat, they have given water renewal also for 1 year. There's all certificates and wasted. There also requesting tomorrow. Home Minister is visiting Chambers tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Nanendra.
We are very enlightened because you are visited all the
Sir, immediately after our request, you have come, sir. We are all happy, sir. And Kannada industry is doing very well, sir, nowadays. We are competing with other languages, Hindi, Telugu, and all big budget movies. You know, KGF, more than 600 crores. All pan India. And the pan India ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಸಂಸಾರ
Night Bahubali type movies.
Just like Bahubali.
And Sankar.
KGF 2 is also doing KGF more than KGF 2, no? We are expectation more than 1,000 crores business, sir.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sir, coffee tea.
Coffee. Other glass.
Waldi Award. And his wife,
Brother-in-law, sir.
brother-in-law is the ex-president of Champa Samar, sir.
And his sons also are
Isn't Rajkumar sir बोलते तमिल नहीं है तमिल? Somebody told Tamil.
He was in Tamil Nadu, sir. They also in
I was in Tamil Nadu. He was staying.
But he's not Tamilian.
No.
Not Tamilian.
Pakka Kannadiga.
Born in Tamil Nadu.
And born in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, Gandhinagar, Thalavadi.
That is Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
more than 200 crores.
Sir, he is the president for Rajkumar Abhimani Sangha, sir. They are all behind.
Fans association.
Yeah, they have worked like anything for him. And we have got highest regard about Rajkumar, sir. He is just like God for every industry, sir. God.
ये राजकुमार के बारे में भी एक पैराग्राफ चाहिए उस दिन 25th के लिए
International Film Festival.
राजकुमार जी के बारे में एंड तेलुगु में लाइक दैट कोई लेजेंड एंड मलयालम आल्सो तमिलनाडु I told 2%. MGR and like that all.
Okay, then.
I watched your movie. Some posters and all देखा थे ना? There I see some posters. So how are you?
Fine, sir.
All doing good?
Shortly his biggest film is released. It's Rangi 2.
29.
29. Having 2 sons, 3.
Three. And he is the elder.
Elder. All are in cinema field? All 3.
More than 120 pictures.
You? Very good. Only Tamil or all? Only Kannada.
I was born in Chennai.
Uh-huh.
Brought up in Chennai.
Uh-huh.
And most
they act in Tamil movies.
No.
No, only Kannada, sir.
most energetic personality.
Today also is more.
How many films you act?
122. Only Kannada.
Only Kannada?
Only Kannada.
Hat-trick hero.
So you started in 17, 18s?
86.
You were 8 at the age.
I am 59.
When you started?
24.
24. I think I was, might be 17, 18. I visited Bangalore one time. I watched a movie. some police character you did?
Yeah.
Huh?
Inspector.
That time, I'm talking about 96, 97.
Yeah, I think one, yeah.
Huh? That's 20, 25 years.
They are also popular, you know.
Discussed with regard to our Sansar issue, animal border issue, and so many other things we discussed with all dignitaries from four states, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Chennai. There we requested him, sir, why don't you visit for our Kerala film industry, the small industry. You know, David is growing like anything. We are making more pan-India movies, we have got a lot of problems, and all I sincerely requested. For request, hardly he has accepted is our request, and he has visited to Kannada film industry. On behalf of Kannada film industry, on behalf of Film Chamber of Commerce, on behalf of Kannada Nirmaakula Sangha, I welcome heartily for Muruganji. And we are very happy that we have got a lot of problems, and I am going to submit that memorandum. Definitely today morning what happened, I received a call from Central Board of Mumbai. We have submitted a memorandum to Honorable Minister that day itself. Immediately I forwarded to, I believe, for CBFC Mumbai. One Mr. Ravi Barkar has called. Whatever the problem you have, you directly talk to us, because the communication came from Information Ministry. So to look into it immediately. They asked us what is the problem. I said, point number one, I told we have got problems with regard to Sansar, of making Sansar. For 5 languages we have to make. They are making most of the movies are pan-India movies. For pan-India movies, nowadays we are doing 4 languages with Sansar over here. Another for Hindi dubbing, Hindi Sansar, and we have to approach again for Bombay. It is getting delayed for release of the movie. For the producers, most of the producers, they are given return credits. And they are approaching it, and they have given already partly response about that. With regard to that, he is going to take action about that. Regarding one more issue is the Animal Welfare Board of India. See, most of the animal hubs are in Karnataka only. See, zoos, animal protection trusts, like all Malnadu beds. And we are getting Sansar for animal welfare board. We have to depend on Haryana, we have to go all the way from here. And most of the animals concentrate over in Karnataka only. See, earlier it was in Chennai. Suddenly, without the knowledge of anybody, it has been shifted to Haryana, and our producers are facing a lot of problems. With regard to in detail, I have given him the memorandum, so kindly look into it, sir. And all those things are written regarding agents and all. They are taking a lot of power for producers, and for which they are going to seriously, they have taken it. And already we have spoken in virtual meetings also in the film federation. See that that office will open in Bangalore. Another problem. This one more from most of the movies, only award movies are telecast in Doordarshan. See, if it is possible, because other movies also we are don't maintain because because we are making more than 400 to 500 movies in a year. For that, if you can help us in getting permission for telecast movie in Doordarshan also, so it will help our maximum producers. And one more request, what we want to tell is. See, we make around the last year we did very small movies. We make around 300 to 400 movies. One son's officer cannot look after all these things. With a lot of producers are approaching us, bothering us, and at the time of November, December, there is a big crowd is there for getting Sansar. If you put one more officer for us, Sansar officer, permanent officer, that will help for even Sansar officer also, for us also, for producer also. So it will be a very major help for us, sir. We will improve that. Because since you being in southern region, first time you are looking after information broadcasting ministry, it is authority you can request you to do all such things, sir. Because since it's the only way, because the earlier ministers also they have did a lot of things. Suji Rani was there, and Prakash Javadekar and all, we have requested for more anything. They have considered few items, sir. Now we can ask 100% from your end, sir. Please try to help us in that aspect. One more thing. Regarding single window system, you know very well, the government has given permission. For regional languages, you can request us, what is our requesting us, to reduce the charges which we are charging for this shooting purpose. Small groups are there. You have your representation, very look into it, help us. See, with all these things, once again, I heartily welcome for Muruganji. He is very open, helpful, great heart. He wanted to help all southern region movies. He has called and calling to Kumar Kupai. I want to do something good for the entire industry. You give us proposal, memorandum, and whatever it is possible from my end, I will do it at the earliest as well. And I say thank you. Thanks to
Sir, welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. ಅದೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸುರೇಶ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಅವರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇತ್ತು, ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸೆನ್ಸಾರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹಿಂದಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೊಂದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ದೂರದರ್ಶನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ತೀರಾ ಇದು ಹೇಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಏನು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮವಾದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾದ ವಿಷಯ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇ ಮುರುಘಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೈ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ದೇವರು ಖಂಡಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಭರವಸೆ ನನಗೆ ಸರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೇಸ್. The entire industry, not only in Karnataka, almost throughout India has faced a problem. But apart from that, of course, everybody has been very supportive from governments and anyway. But we request you to just look through this problem and solve as soon as possible, so that it will be very easy. And almost since the theatres are open for 100, all the films are going well nowadays. Touch wood, like people also are coming to the theatres, so we don't want to lose the seat. So in the same matter, if all these things get resolved, almost many films will come on the screen, and industry will be saved in a very bigger way. Thank you.
She assured us that she will make a committee to discuss the issues with the film industry. All the 4 states represented there. Till now, they have not formed any committee. I request you personally on behalf of the film chamber and fix an appointment with Nirmala Sitharaman to discuss very different issues in DSS. Kindly pass on to Nirmala Sitharaman to arrange a meeting with Nirmala Sitharaman regarding the discussion of these issues.
I can come now. Only 4 to 5 people are from Kannada film fraternities. Lot of them are from outsiders. They are giving A certificate for all the films. Last year, most of the films have got A certificate. If the film get A certificate, we can't screen the film in theaters also correctly. We will not get there are a lot of audience in that, and we can't do business for TV, OTT, anything like that. It's happening only in Karnataka. Other language films are coming with the cruelty and all. It is being screened with us. We are competing with all the language films of India in Karnataka, but our Kannada films are getting A certificates. Due to lack of knowledge of the member, I request you please, we have given this thing return to the Prakash Javadekar sir already. They are going to look after that, but nothing has happened so till now.
Yes, well, censor officer ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Madam ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು talk with madam also.
So today I visited this prestigious institution. So you know in South India how the film industry is playing a big role. So in this occasion today I came here for the Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. So respected Sri Jairaj, President Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. Respected N.M. Suresh, Secretary, Karnataka Film Chamber of Commerce. Respected Sri Sivaraj Kumar, renowned Kannada actor and son of great actor Dr. Rajkumar. And Sri Sara Govindu, ex-President Karnataka Film Chamber. Respected Sri Chinnegowda, ex-President Karnataka Film Chambers. Respected K.V. Gupta and other respected members of this industry, producers, exhibitors, distributors, my dear friends from the media. So good evening to you all. So today what we decide, after I become the minister, I used to meet the concerned industry people. Yesterday also, I visited Mangalore, Udupi, related to the fisheries activities. Already I met South Indian Film Chamber people in Chennai. So all industry from Malayalam, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, they gathered and we discussed our industry and how to take up industry in next level. So our government is, very well, everybody knows that we are making steps to easy do business. For that, our Ministry Information and Broadcasting, a portal also is there. In that portal, you can go to that portal, you can upload your, and you can get wherever you want to go, whether if it defense permission, or it is in railway permission, or it is in civil aviation, or it is in archaeological department. So it gives a single window system in our app for the easy doing business for this industry. Anybody wants to come to the foreign also, we are giving that single window system. They can get easy visa and also. So like that we are coordinating this industry has to be grown. And I want to tell you here from Kannada films, last year in our CBSE, Central Board of Film Certification Department, they received 234 applications from the producers for the certification. In that, 226 applications certified already. So I happily share with you. So there is no pending, only 8 applications are pending. That is for some of documentation need from the producer. So for that purpose only it is in waiting. That also if they come forward, they can rectify the whatever small that will be we will be issued. And our federation, our chamber people, they asked the Hindi certification from the Bangalore. So already, and also some of animal welfare board, some of issues they mentioned here. Already they spoke on me and they submitted this memorandum. So I will take over that memorandum and I will go through and whatever the possibilities to help the industry, definitely we will take up, because we are the facilitating ministry for you, you know very well that. So always you people also told whenever some grievance comes that we solved, already told our predecessors how concerned about this industry. So I will take care and I will go through this memorandum and I will take up concerned ministry also, if some other ministry I will take up and also before that I came to this meeting, our chamber people they told the Karnataka government is waived the tax or property tax for the theatres. So the government, Karnataka government, our government, they are supporting in this industry. And also from Karnataka government, 10 lakhs rupees subsidy they are giving for the last 125 movies. They provided the subsidy here. And I wanted to tell our industry people, our government is friendly with all industry and our aim is to easy do business. So for that is, again that's why I am telling you. he used to do business, whatever, because he used to do business, whatever the grievance he told, that we are going to take up. So, once again, I thanks and congratulate this industry people, that they are all in this industry for the past 40 years, 50 years, 60 years.